Welcome to تعلم channel. Let's learn English together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello kids, are you ready to learn? Today we will learn body parts. Let's go.
Neck. Neck. This is my neck. Touch your neck. Shoulders. These my shoulders. Touch your shoulders. Arms. Arms. These are my arms. Wave your arms. Hands. These are my hands. Clap your hands. Fingers. These my fingers. Wiggle your fingers.
Belly. This is my belly. Touch your belly.
These are my lungs. Say with me, lungs, lungs, lungs. We use them to breathe. Great job, my friends. Wait for part 3. Wait for me. See you next.